Our Galaxy and Other Galaxies by Matthew Reisner and Austin Huff. A galaxy is a system of millions or billions of stars together with gas and dust held together by gravitational attraction. There are potentially more than 170 billion galaxies in the observable universe. Some called dwarf galaxies are very small with about 10 million stars, while others are huge, containing an estimated 100 trillion stars. Now, is it just me, or does 10 million stars sound like a lot? I don't know. The word galaxy is derived from the Greek word Galaxies, which means milky. It is a reference to our own galaxy, the Milky Way. This slide puts into perspective how big the rest of outer space is. Our galaxy, the Milky Way. Our galaxy is called the Milky Way. There are three types of galaxies: spiral, elliptical, and irregular. The Milky Way is a spiral galaxy, which are the most common types of galaxies. Our galaxy is called a barred spiral because it has a bar across the middle and two arms on the side. Other galaxies. The spiral-shaped galaxy is the most common type of galaxy. It is also the shape of the Milky Way, the nucleus and arms spiraling outward. The elliptical-shaped galaxy and the lenticular-shaped galaxy are two very similar and very organized shapes. There is few or no dust lanes and is usually composed of older, mature stars. Irregular-shaped galaxy is often very small and does not have enough gravitational force to form it into a more regular shape. Our galaxy, the Milky Way. The Sun and our entire solar system are in the Orion arm of the Milky Way galaxy. The Milky Way is huge, over 100,000 light years across. The Milky Way, including the arms, are constantly rotating, but not fast enough for our solar system to move all around the galaxy. It would take 230 million years for our solar system to travel across the entire galaxy. The Milky Way is made up of gas, dust, and over 200 billion stars. The Milky Way's galaxy's mass is 90% dark matter, which is material that scientists cannot detect or tell what it is. The Milky Way also contains a ginormous black hole in the center. Keep in mind that the black hole starts out very small and then grows throughout time. Scientists predict that in about 4 billion years, the Milky Way galaxy will crash into the Andromeda galaxy. Andromeda and the Milky Way are the same age and are neighboring galaxies, and are coming at each other at about 70 miles per second. This once again makes us realize how big space is. 70 miles per second is a super fast speed. They won't crash for 4 billion years. That's so crazy. Other galaxies. Andromeda. The Andromeda galaxy is our neighboring galaxy. This galaxy is about 2.5 billion light years away from us. It may have as many as 26 black holes, more than any other galaxy besides our own. It is also the brightest galaxy we've ever discovered, as you can see in the picture. Andromeda. This galaxy has a massive star cluster in its center, making it extremely bright. Andromeda also has two spiral arms as well as a ring in its center, making it look very similar to the Milky Way. It is very difficult, but Andromeda can sometimes be seen by the naked eye. Other galaxies. There are actually over 100 billion other galaxies in the universe, but we are not really sure how they formed after the Big Bang. Some say that the dust particles eventually started coming together to form stars, but we cannot really tell as of now. It's kind of frustrating that scientists can make some of these claims about galaxies and not know how they are created, but it is most of their guesses are very reasonable. Other galaxies are known to have elliptical shapes. Some of these unusual shapes look like toothpicks or rings. All galaxies consist of very different shape, size, and color. Galaxies often collide, which can change the shape of one another. According to the work of Edwin Hubble, we know that there are 4 different types of galaxies. Lenticular is the 4th shape. Here are our sources. Hopefully, this slideshow taught you something that you did not know about our galaxy or about other galaxies, and made you realize how big the universe really is and how small we really are to everything. Thank you.